Let's talk about a spicy topic today. Will cayenne pepper kill grass? This is a question many gardeners and homeowners ask, so let's dive in. Cayenne pepper is a common kitchen spice, known for its heat. But when it comes to its effects on grass, it's a bit different than what you might expect. Unlike harsh chemicals or acids, cayenne pepper doesn't have a direct harmful effect on grass. Its primary component, capsaicin, isn't potent enough to kill grass or significantly alter the soil's composition. However, cayenne pepper can be used as a natural deterrent for pests and animals that might harm your lawn. Sprinkling cayenne pepper around the lawn can keep these critters at bay, protecting your grass indirectly. But it's important to note that cayenne pepper should be used cautiously. While it won't kill the grass, it can irritate the skin and eyes of pets and humans. So it's essential to use it in moderation and consider the safety of those who might come into contact with your lawn. In conclusion, cayenne pepper won't kill your grass. It's a safe and natural option for pest control, but remember to use it wisely and keep safety in mind. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, the best lawn care methods are those that are safe and effective for both your plants and the environment. Keep gardening smartly.